Firefighters want to thank the Navy Band Northeast for providing entertainment. We have a token of appreciation for your service. Wartime quilting has always been a part of America's history, and it continues today in a large part due to Catherine Roberts. When her son was deployed 10 years ago, she turned to quilting to keep her hands and her thoughts busy. She brought her quilt to Bethesda, where it was blessed by a chaplain and presented to a wounded service person. The idea was born to cover all service people with a tangible symbol of gratitude, a quilt of valor. These quilts of valor say thank you for your service, your sacrifice, and your valor. As of now, 10 years later, over 101,000 quilts have been presented to currently serving soldiers and veterans of all wars. So it is with great honor that I now present the Navy Band Northeast with a quilt of valor made especially for you. Thank you all for your service, and God bless.
Nancy, that's wonderful. Thank you so much.